Hi everybody, my name is Kubani and today I'm going to show you how to design this. So let's go to Photoshop and then Control N, bring it up. Let's make it 1000. Make the height 2000 pixels. Okay, 72. Can call it my logo. Alright, nice. Now anytime you want to create a 3D logo with a mockup, make sure the background is always off. Okay, so double click the lock icon there, and then we want our background off, else we'll not be able to get the output the way we want it. Okay, alright, so let's go for our logo. Now this is a silver kind of logo that we are going for. So if your client wants a silver metallic type of logo, this is how you go for it. You want to type your name of your business, Kingdom. Let's make it caps, right? Let's use impact. But someone said I like impact a lot. I like using impact a lot. Yeah, I know. I can't help it. Alright, so Ctrl J to duplicate it, bring it down. Let's rename it Solutions. Solution GH. And I want the font to be Arial. Let's reduce it. Solutions GH, resize it a little bit, and then let's increase here to 1. I think this is good. Ctrl J to duplicate it, bring it down. Perhaps put your slogan or your telephone number there. Let's see, 020 000 000 000. Alright, so now we have it, or do we have it? Okay, so we have it. Yeah, we have it. Let's bring the solutions here a little bit. Okay, let's bolden this. Let's come and make it black. Wow, guess we have to resize it all the way again. Let's reduce this one, make it around 100. Let's make it 80. I think 80 will be the best. Yeah, I knew it. So 80 is gonna be good. And let's change the colors. Let's make color blue. Let's make it more vibrant colors. Right? Vibrant colors. Which color should I choose, guys? I'm confused. This color is good. Definitely good. Let's make this blue. Let's make it, in fact, let's make it black. Let's leave it black. Then the logo head, let's make it gray. Okay, solutions has also take a different color. Let's make this one, let's tone it down a little bit. Alright, so now that we have it, I told you make sure the background is off. Okay, click telephone number here, click Ctrl Shift Alt and then E, puts everything in one particular layer. Then a link is going to be in the description for you to download. Okay, you're going to use this. Now, even though it is going to be in a silver form. I just gave it a little color just to make this, at least that's your logo. Okay, so click here, place logo here. Now delete all these things, we don't need these stuffs, just delete it. Okay, and then let's bring our logo here, and leave it here. Let's delete this 3D. Okay, click here, click save, yes, click here, and there we have our logo. Okay, if your client says it's too small, just click the overlay here, click Ctrl Shift Alt E. Everything's going to be on one layer for you now. Click here and then resize it. Resize it, right? Shift to the size that you want. Looks perfect. Looks perfect. Now your client sees it and he becomes happy because it feels like so this is how my logo is going to look when I put it on this a souvenir or something like that. Alright, so guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe so that anytime I release new videos, you'll be updated and notified. I keep releasing new videos almost every day. Please leave a comment, like as well, and click the bell icon. I do this for you guys, okay? So please help me out, just subscribe for me and then and keep following me. Thank you very much. Love you all. Peace out.